Hello everyone, welcome to another video with me, Melanie Jacob. Thank you, you've always subscribe, finish the YouTube channel, bring me. You were subscribe yet. I got the subscription button below. You click the subscription button, or you click one small notification bell. Me giving you update every time you start with one video come out. Welcome to everyone with the watch. You waste the watch lo Vanuatu no more any islands lo Vanuatu Torres Casamanaichum. You where you stop lo any Narala Pacific Island country. You used to watch. Me welcome you lo show me today. Video me today. You where you stop Australia, New Zealand, or one Narala country abroad. Me on the welcome you to lo video me today. Today we want to talk about something we call budgeting. I think we start continue to talk about budgeting lo Facebook page for me, or we start continue to come out to talk about budgeting and me sure say full up me really say one me budgeting and me how you me put them aside all money, how you me plan them all money me, how you me plan them all money where you me receiving more how na by you spend them all money when you make sure say you make cut small savings premium stuff. So me been go through one video when me been share suppose you always to follow Facebook page for me, or you last up local video me been start you last follow one video me been start post them before. Me been post them one video about 50-30-20 rule. 50% in needs for you, 30% in wants for you, after 20% in savings for you, or debt, or want something where you one debt where you cut that, one short-term debt where you cut. So excuse me, maybe share up 50-30-20 rule what you may finish. One of the camp talk about today, want the camp clear more back again. The side of budgeting. So you say budgeting, you one plan for you, one goal where you cut, one you want them achieving after you make them all budgeting blue for them. So the 50-30-20 rule we may talk about there, and maybe blow overall budget blue, some overall outlook blow you home personal budgeting blue. Suppose you want to make one budgeting where me actually achieving one something, the 50-30-20 rule. 50-30-20 rule let me blow time where you anyone normal everyday budget where you supposed to look at that, like generally you supposed to save him I go on different portion, cut them go on different portion, but you service cut them go on different parts. You service which one and me blow which one after you try and blow limiting you or something for them how much money will you earn them how much money will you start currently come inside income blue salary blue or small business blue. So I mean general rule me 50-30-20 pay. Suppose you want to make them one budgeting blow achieving one something like you got one thinking blow current one something we still mind for you for a long time, or you want something or want something where you really want them say me one dream blue where you must achieve him, and me budgeting blame me different back again from say that time where you must talk about general budgeting and maybe come for them no more one way we start all time come finish but time me want the couple make one different budgeting for them, one dream blue me or one long time desire where you make out where you want to achieve him, and remember you must work extra hard refokasem now. You must work extra hard lo one general budget where you start finish with 50-30-20 so you must work extra hard. So one of you say make him work extra hard, you make him also small side plus something or side business or make him something activity where you think you have a income lehem. So there's two different types of budgeting and Mr. Talema. One enable you have get by every day. And now you limiting you something. So suppose you must one time where Mr. COVID full up something by a drop, work a drop or activity drop after by you local price for something you want price per full up something by contact, price per fuel by contact from all different global activity or activity will happen around the world by any have cut impact or prices below goods or prices below services or prices below fuel and everything. So then you start look say well something or list go on top or price for something or list go on top. You must reduce your come down, reduce spending to come down. Budget where you've been making before, but I'm not saying because by start naya from Senaya or by what noticing so prices or list go on down. So by you must come and then one good flat time when by you come down back again, you look through when you've been planned for lo previous money come or previous year come 2022 I think time you missed a breakthrough look 2022 you got something the finish you make some budgeting goals you finish benaya you make one time where COVID hit him yumi if something he shock him yumi by in one good flat time you down naya more you go through the budget again more looks one now something where you sabe cut them out lehema cut them out. I mean, really discipline you cut them out something. Osemitalem, maybe start working stress them say mindset premium one very important something we must look out lehem to make sure seems the feeding mindset premium or positive something to make him seem to get by. So yes, suppose you cut one budgeting plan where you've been put to finish stuff. You need to go through them back and look through. More look say something where you need to cut them out. You downsize them all expenses, or something downsize them from say you start one time where not so promising. I mean uncertain time, more full of price for something contact, more activity but reduced. So marketing you must step up your marketing so you know small business. You must be creative in how you attract them customer come. You must every something you must step them up now. So semi-talent say we need one positive mindset, you need really a positive mindset, you must implement them some good proactive changes where you must make them no crisis we must so yes, we want to come giving you small encouragement and more want them to clarify and put and now say cut two different types of budgeting and we start talk about that when you've been giving one video will have Facebook page for me finish probably last year or before last year the 50-30-20 rule more budgeting where you usually me achieving some goals or some long time something where you really want them. Okay, so and another message for me say you step them up game me and you may reduce them downsize them some expenses where you may be planned for by you may get through. So me want them cut pressure about them yumi but again suppose you where you stop continue watching video here custom emblem then thank you where you stop with me through the video custom emblem. So if you got any questions, please hesitate to ask them questions in the comment section. Put them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe or hit them one notification bell every time to make them see so we got updates. Don't forget you make got one prize winning contest where me live it stop. You should be winning 30,000 batu. Run away with them 30,000 batu. Go look one video where any prize winning contest here where you have look instruction how now you have a part contest. Thank you, Papa Ken. Bye bye everyone.